हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल थिंक यूपीएससी विन यूपीएससी। आज इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 6 एनसीईआरटी ज्योग्राफी द अर्थ आवर हैबिटेट के चैप्टर वाइज एक्सप्लेनेशन की सीरीज़ में चैप्टर 2 ग्लोब, लैटिट्यूड एंड लॉन्गिट्यूड समझेंगे। In the previous chapter, we have read that our planet Earth is not a sphere, it is slightly flattened at the north and south pole and bulge in the middle. Globe is a true model of the Earth. A needle is fixed through the globe in a tilted manner, which is called its axis. 2 points on the globe through which needle passes are two poles, North Pole and South Pole. The real Earth has no such needle. It moves around its axis, which is an imaginary line. So हमने पिछले चैप्टर में देखा कि अर्थ स्लाइटली फ्लैटन है नॉर्थ और साउथ पोल से और बल्ज है फ्रॉम द मिडिल. ग्लोब इज़ अ ट्रू मॉडल ऑफ अर्थ. एक नीडल फिक्स होता है ग्लोब में इन अ टिल्टेड मैनर जिसे एक्सिस कहते हैं. 2 points ऑफ द ग्लोब विच द नीडल पासिस थ्रू आर नॉर्थ पोल एंड द साउथ पोल. Now we see another important topic, which is equator. An imaginary circular line on the globe divides it into two equal parts. This line is known as equator. Now what is the equator? What is an equator? Equator is an imaginary circular line जो अर्थ को 2 parts में divide करती है. The northern half is called the northern hemisphere and the southern half is known as the southern hemisphere. All circles from equator up to the pole are called parallels of latitude. सारे parallel circles equator से लेके pole तक parallels of latitude कहलाते हैं. Important parallels of latitude are: first, Tropic of Cancer, which is at 23.5 degree north, Tropic of Capricorn, which is at 23.5 south, third, Arctic Circle 66.5 north, and fourth, Antarctic Circle 66.5 south. Now we will see the heat zones of the earth. Torrid zone. The midday sun is exactly overhead at least once a year on all latitudes in between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. This area receives maximum heat and is called torrid zone. So सारे लैटिट्यूड्स पर ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर से लेकर ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉन तक ओवरहेड हीट पड़ता है, उसे बोलते हैं टॉरिड जोन, क्योंकि उसमें मैक्सिमम हीट रिसीव होता है. नेक्स्ट इज टेम्परेट जोन. द एरिया बाउंडेड बाय द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर एंड द आर्कटिक सर्कल इन नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर एंड द ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैप्रिकॉन and the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere have moderate temperature. These are therefore called temperate zone. So Tropic of Cancer से लेके Arctic Circle तक, Antarctic Circle से लेके southern hemisphere तक temperate zone होता है. टेम्परेट moderate होता है, उसे बोलते हैं temperate zone. Now next is frigid zones. Areas lying between the Arctic Circle and the North Pole in the northern hemisphere and the Antarctic Circle and the South Pole in the southern hemisphere is very cold. It is because here sun does not rise much above the horizon. Therefore its rays are always slanting and provide less heat. Therefore they are called frigid zone. So the area between the Arctic Circle से लेके North Pole northern hemisphere में, Antarctic Circle से लेके South Pole in the southern hemisphere में हमेशा हीट कम पड़ती है, क्योंकि स्लैंटिंग हीट पहुंचती है, इसलिए वहाँ पे फ्रीजिंग कोल्ड होता है, इसलिए वो फ्रिजिड जोन कहलाते हैं. लॉन्गिट्यूड्स आर इमेजिनरी वर्टिकल लाइंस. Longitudes are also imaginary vertical lines which run from North Pole to South Pole. So longitudes imaginary vertical lines होती हैं जो कि North Pole to South Pole run करती हैं. These lines are not parallel to each other, but they are of equal length. They are not parallel to each other, they are of equal length. They are numbered from 0 degree to 180 degree east to west. Prime meridian is the most important longitude which passes through Greenwich near London, also known as Greenwich meridian. It is the line of longitude at 0 degree which divides the earth into two vertical halves. So वर्टिकल हाफ्स में लॉन्गिट्यूड डिवाइड करता है. लॉन्गिट्यूड एट 0 डिग्री डिवाइड्स द अर्थ इनटू टू वर्टिकल इक्वल हाफ, वेस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर एंड ईस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर. Now we see grid system. Longitudes and latitudes intersect or cross each other and form a network of lines. We use this grid to find the exact location of a place. To find the exact location of a place, we need accurate value of latitude and longitude which passes through it. For example, New York is 40° north and 74° west. So this was all about globes and latitudes. Like and share my video and subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for such informative videos.